Hello, good morning students. In the last video lecture, we discussed what is monopoly. Monopoly derived from two Greek words. Mono means single, polist means seller. So monopoly refers to a market situation where there is a single seller in the market. It has complete control over the price of the product. It is a price maker, but it is not price taker. In the earlier video lecture, we also discussed the characteristics of monopoly, and lastly we also discussed that why average revenue curve or demand curve of monopoly is downward sloping, and why MR curve lies below AR curve. हमने डिस्कस किया है. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे the short run equilibrium of a firm in monopoly. In perfect competition, as there are three possibilities, here also there are three possibilities. Monopoly firm earns supernormal profit, monopoly firm incurs losses, and monopoly firms earns only normal profit. Okay, condition same है. Condition क्या है? Equilibrium की marginal revenue must be equal to marginal cost, and second, marginal cost curve should cut marginal revenue from below. Okay, so as we observe from diagram that x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. This is AR curve, average revenue curve. This is MR curve. Now what is the condition? Marginal cost must be equal to marginal revenue. So हम पे ये marginal cost draw करेंगे. This is marginal cost. It is the P point where marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. So straight line. OM output and price है like this. OA price. Okay. Here x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. Okay. P is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. हमारा output कितना है? OM है. Now what is the condition? Supernormal profit. और supernormal profit कब on होगा? When average revenue or price is greater than average cost. Okay. Average revenue is greater than average cost means average cost should be less than average revenue. Okay, so we have to draw a curve which is lower than average revenue curve so far as producing OM output. So how I put it up? This is average cost curve. It cuts at this point. Okay, so like this, B, C and D. So as we observe from diagram that revenue पे कौन सा point है? B, output कितना है? OM. So in our diagram average revenue is equal to BM. Average cost पर कितना कौन सा point है? C, output कितना है? OM. So average cost is equal to CM. Okay, this is average revenue, this is average cost. So per unit profit कौन सा है? BC. Per unit profit क्या है? BC is per unit profit. But we are not interested in per unit cost profit. We are interested in total profit. So total profit को क्या करें? Per unit profit into this area BC into OM. तो हमको rectangle ABCD मिलेगा. कैसे? Because when we consider output OABM, टोटल रेवेन्यू कितना हो जाएगा? OABM. OABM is total revenue. Like ODCM, total cost कितना हो जाएगा? ODCM. So this rectangle indicate profit. Okay. Rectangle indicate profit. Getting my point? How to explain? How to write? X-axis आपको सिर्फ एवरेज रेवेन्यू और एवरेज कॉस्ट याद रखना है. आप एग्जाम में लिख सकते हैं सर. एक्स एक्सिस रिप्रेजेंट्स आउटपुट, वाई एक्सिस रिप्रेजेंट्स प्राइस, पी इज द इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट. यहां डिफरेंस समझना. परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में एवरेज रेवेन्यू और एंड मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू सेम है, तो इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट और एवरेज रेवेन्यू का पॉइंट सेम होगा, यहाँ एवरेज रेवेन्यू का पॉइंट और इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट डिफरेंट होगा, ओके, क्योंकि मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू एंड एवरेज रेवेन्यू आर नॉट सेम, ओके. So P is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price. We can observe from diagram that average revenue is equal to BM, average cost is equal to CM. Here average revenue is greater than average cost, so firm is earning supernormal profit. In our diagram, rectangle ABCD indicates profit. That's all. So this is the first possibility when monopoly firm supernormal profit. वो ज़्यादातर यही होता है because monopoly firm has complete control over the price of the product or output of the product. So therefore, it can earn supernormal profit. Now, second possibility. We will discuss the second possibility when average revenue or price is less than average cost, firm incurs losses. जनरली मोनोपोली में फर्म लॉस इनकर नहीं करता, बिकॉज मोनोपोली क्या है, मोनोपोली मतलब सिंगल सेलर सिंगल प्रोड्यूसर, ओके, सोल सेलर सोल प्रोड्यूसर जनरली सो. मगर अगर कोई टाइम उसको लॉस अर्न करता है तो लॉस कैन बी मिनिमम, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो द पॉसिबिलिटी. सो वी विल डिस्कस इन द सिचुएशन वेयर monopoly firm incurs losses. तो सेम रिपीट करेंगे हम. This is average revenue curve. This is marginal revenue curve, output and price. X-axis represents output, Y-axis represents price. Average revenue curve, marginal revenue curve. Now, what is the possible condition, equilibrium condition? Marginal revenue, marginal cost must be equal to marginal revenue. This is marginal cost. This is the point. You have to draw like this. Okay, OM output at OA price. यहाँ एक पैराग्राफ आपका कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. X axis represents output, Y axis represents price. P is equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price and OM is an equilibrium output. Output कितना है? OM. Now, what is the situation? The situation is that the firm incurring losses. Firm को loss कब होगा? When average revenue is less than average cost. It means average cost is greater than average revenue. So this is average revenue curve. Okay. If firm average cost is greater than average revenue, means average cost curve should above average revenue curve. So we have to draw average cost like this. This is average cost line. Okay, so हम लोग यहाँ से डायरेक्ट करेंगे and we make rectangle. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. So in our example, average cost पे कौन सा पॉइंट है? C. आउटपुट कितना है? OM. So average cost is equal to CM. Average revenue is equal to BM. रेवेन्यू पे कौन सा पॉइंट है? B. So this is CB. CB पर यूनिट लॉस्ट कितना है? CB. क्यों? क्योंकि एवरेज कॉस्ट एवरेज रेवेन्यू से ज्यादा है, पर यूनिट कॉस्ट इज ग्रेटर देन पर यूनिट रेवेन्यू। सो पर यूनिट हमारा लॉस कितना हो जाएगा, सीबी। बट इफ यू वांट टू नो टोटल लॉस, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू कि सीबी को हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ओएम के साथ, तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, रेक्टेंगल एबीसीडी लॉस। व्हाई? बिकॉज यहां हो जाएगा ओ डी सी एम, टोटल कॉस्ट ओ डी सी एम, टोटल रेवेन्यू ओ ए बी एम, टोटल रेवेन्यू ओ ए बी एम। Your total cost is greater than total revenue, so फर्म को कितना क्या हो जाएगा, लॉस। रेक्टेंगल एबीसीडी इंडिकेटिंग लॉस। So how to write in the example? X axis represents output, Y axis represents price. P is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal costs are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price and OM is an equilibrium output. As we observe from diagram that in producing OM output, average cost is equal to CM, average revenue is equal to BM. Here average cost is greater than average revenue, or average revenue is less than average cost, so firm is incurring losses. In our diagram, rectangle ABCD is indicating loss. Okay, so हमने आज दो पॉसिबिलिटी डिस्कस की है। In first possibility, average revenue is greater than average cost, so firm is earning supernormal profit. In second possibility, average revenue is less than average cost, so firm is incurring losses. Okay, thank you very much.